So I'm gonna clean out my mini fridge and dust it out with this duster I got at the Dollar Tree. Dust electronics duster here from HomeBrite. Press. Hold on, let me. All right. I got eye protection on because sometimes the stuff can get into your eyes, so. Stuff is cold too. I'm getting in every section that there's a vent. Stuff is cold, I have to say. I have to get more of this stuff because this stuff is pretty good for electronics and whatever. Whew, stuff is cold. Let's bring this. Let's have this sit out here for a couple minutes to let it air out. I'm gonna go and get my fan. So this fan has been, I've been having it for like a year, but I never cleaned it out, so. This stuff, when you blow it's really cold. Hey, it's cold. Whew. This can is so cold too. Like, look at it. It's really cold. I was trying to clean it all out. Gotta get more of this stuff. This only lasts like a little bit. Alright. Alright, this goes in garbage. Actually, I don't think you should put this in the garbage. I don't know. Anyway, clean out these. I just clean out these, so. Still some dust, but I'm gonna go get a duster and just dust it.